You can remove the protective hulls by unclipping the lower part, like this. On the Airborne cargo drone, there are 5 available slots that you can use to customize the appearance of your mini drone. Make sure to spread the weight equally to all parts of the Airborne cargo. Travis and Mars will carry your cargo anywhere. So what's it gonna be, pilot? Press the freefall takeoff button. Then, as soon as you let go of the Airborne drone, the engines will start automatically. With a single tap, the Airborne drone performs acrobatic 360-degree forward and backward flips. The joypad mode offers a different set of controls. In this mode, you can record a video with your device while piloting. The Airborne night drone is equipped with powerful LEDs. To turn on the lights, simply move the slider. You can also choose different light signals by tapping on these icons. Turn on the searchlights and shed light on your adventurous routes. You can also take pictures with the bottom camera. Press the photo button to take snapshots. To recover your photos, go to the context menu and press internal memory. Select the photos or videos that you wish to save, and then press the transfer button to add them to the gallery on your smartphone or tablet. You can also transfer your photos and videos onto your computer. Simply connect your mini drone to your computer using a USB cable. Your Airborne drone squadron is now operational. What will your next mission be? For more tips, subscribe to our channel.